Dear students, how are you? Hope that you all are in good health. After a long time, I'm before you for taking an English class. Today, I will discuss the important rules of transforming affirmative sentences into negative. So, let us start our lesson. At first, I'm writing rule number 1. Dear students, please look at the board. Here I have written, if there is only in affirmative sentences, then how to make these sentences into negative. First one, if Allah, God, or any person is mentioned after only, then we have to use non-bar. Number 2, if there is the name of a thing or anything after only, we have to use nothing but. And the third one or last one indicates that we have to use not more than or not less than if there is any number after only. Now, I am telling these rules in Bengali so that you can understand well. এখানে লিখেছি অনলির পরে যদি আল্লাহ, গড অর একটা পার্সনের উল্লেখ থাকে তখন আমাদেরকে অনলির পরিবর্তে নাম্বার ব্যবহার করতে হবে। আর যদি দেখি যে অনলির পরে কোনো একটা জিনিস, কোনো একটা বস্তুর নাম উল্লেখ আছে তখন আমাদেরকে অনলির পরিবর্তে নাথিং বাট ইউজ করতে হবে। আর যদি দেখি যে অনলির পরে কি আছে, কোনো নাম্বার উল্লেখ আছে, কোনো সংখ্যার উল্লেখ আছে, বয়সের উল্লেখ আছে, হ্যাঁ, সেক্ষেত্রে আমরা অনলির পরিবর্তে নট মোর দেন অথবা নট লেস দেন লিখতে পারি। দিস ইজ দ্য ফার্স্ট রুল অফ ট্রান্সফর্মিং affirmative sentences into negative. For example, please write down the examples. Number 1, only Allah can save us. Number 2, he likes only cricket. Now, I will write down the answer of these two sentences. Number 1, only, and after that the word Allah is mentioned here, so that we have to use none but. So the answer is none but Allah can save us. Number 2, he likes only cricket. Here we see that cricket is after only, so we have to use nothing but. So the answer is he likes nothing but ক্রিকেট। অর্থাৎ সে ক্রিকেট খেলা ছাড়া আর অন্য কোনো খেলা পছন্দ করে না। Now I'm writing number 3 Number 3, Karim is only 15. Here 15 is a number. That's why at this case we have to use not more than or not less than instead of only. So the answer is Karim is not more than 15 or less than 15. Karim is not more than 15 or less than 15. Both are correct. Here I can also give another example for you. 4. She alone lives here. If alone is mentioned or written in the sentence, we also have to use none but instead of alone. So we can see what is the answer of this sentence. None but she lives here. These are the examples regarding rule number 1. At this stage, I will discuss rule number 2. Number 2. Dear students, please be attentive and listen to me. If there is must as an auxiliary verb in the sentence after subject, we have to use can't but plus verb base or can't help plus verb ing instead of must. কি বললাম এখানে, যদি বাক্যে মাস্ট উল্লেখ থাকে তাহলে আমাদেরকে মাস্টের পরিবর্তে ক্যানট বাট লিখতে হবে এবং এরপর আমরা লিখব কি যে ভার্বটা দেওয়া আছে ওই ভার্বটি, ভার্বের বেস ফর্মটা লিখব। আর যদি আমরা কি করি, যদি মাস্টের পরিবর্তে ক্যানট হেল্প লিখি, তাহলে সেক্ষেত্রে ভার্বের আইএনজি লিখতে হবে। অর্থাৎ বাক্যে যদি মাস্ট উল্লেখ থাকে, দেন ইউ হ্যাভ টু ইউজ কান্ট বাট প্লাস ভার্ব বেস or can't help plus verb ing. In this way, we have to make affirmative sentence into negative. Now, we can write two examples regarding these rule. Please write down. Number 1. We must maintain the rules of health. We must maintain the rules of health. So its answer is we can't but maintain the rules of health. Number 2, you must obey your superiors. You must obey your superiors. We have done the first one using can't but plus verb base, but the second one we will change using the next rule. The answer is you can't help obeying your superiors. You can't help obeying your superiors. If you use cannot but, then you can't but obey your superiors. In these two ways, we can make the affirmative sentence into negative if there is must in this sentence as auxiliary after the subject. Noted that in respect of have to or has to, we have to use the same rule. Dear students, please listen to what I'm telling. If there is have to or has to after subject in place of must, then you have to use the same rule, or in the same way, using the same rule. Can't but plus verb base and can't help plus verb ing, we can make the sentence into negative from affirmative. Here I can give also another example. We have to work hard in life. We have to work hard in life. The answer is we can't but work hard in life. Understand? So it is the discussion about rule number 2. Now I am going to discuss another rule. That means rule number 3. Now we can see and learn rule 3. Please write down. Please look at the board what I have written. If there is every at the very beginning of the sentence as subject, then we have to use the mentioned or these structure to make the affirmative sentence into negative. At this case, we have to use there is no plus the word after every. The word after every. That means every year for a what plus but plus verb plus others. In this way, we can make affirmative sentence into negative. For example, one. Every mother loves her child. Every mother loves her child. Number two, everybody wants success. Now we will change these two affirmative sentences into negative. So please see how we can do it. Every there is no. There is no plus the word after every. The word after every is mother. The word after every is mother. So we have to use there is no plus mother. Then but. Loves her child. So the answer of the first sentence is there is no mother but loves her child. Second sentence, at first we have to write there is no plus body. So there is no body but wants success. The answer of the second sentence is there is no body but wants success. In this way, you have to change the affirmative sentence into negative one if there is everybody, everyone, every mother, like these words in the sentence at the very beginning. Now I will discuss another rules. Rule 4. Please look at the board and write down what I'm writing. By this structure, I would like to make you understand that if both and are mentioned in the affirmative sentence, then we have to use not only and but also. That means not only is used for both and, but also is for and. Here I can mention that both and can be used at the beginning of the sentence or middle of the sentence, and at the time of making this affirmative sentence into negative, we have to use not only for both and, but also for and. Now I'm giving two examples regarding this rule so that you may understand this rule very clearly. Number 1. She took both tea and coffee. Number 1. Number 2, both Karim and Rahim are friends. At this stage, I will write the answer of these two sentences. That means now we will make these two sentences into negative. Here I can write she took not only for both, she took not only tea but also for and copy. She took not only tea but also copy. The second answer, not only for, both, not only, Karim but also Rahim are friends. My dear students, today I have discussed 4 rules of changing affirmative sentences into negative sentence. There are also some rules which we will discuss in the next class. So now write down your homework. Please write down. Practice some sentences regarding the discussed rules from your grammar book. Please listen to me. Practice some sentences regarding the discussed these 4 rules from your grammar book. Okay. Thank you very much. See you in the next class.